Master affiliate marketing with these top tips. If you aren't sure what direction to go in with affiliate marketing, then you want to start learning as many tips as possible. People seem to become more focused and have an idea with what they want on their sites when they understand ways they can succeed in affiliate marketing. So take a look at this video and see what inspires you. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like domains by proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, work on adding to your passive income through programs that offer continuity. Successful marketers have various continuity programs that offer recurring income over an extended period of time. This recurring income will provide a sound financial base that you can then build upon. To make money doing affiliate marketing, you have to start with a quality product. No matter how much promotion you do, if people never buy the product, you will not make any money from it. A poor product on your page may also make people question the quality of your other products. Trial and error plays a big part in the success of affiliate marketing. You may find that a link may work well on one site, but completely bombs on another. Be sure to check your numbers regularly in order to learn which links are working for you, and which need to be removed. Be honest with yourself. If a program isn't working, move on. It's up to you to watch your statistics and see which items are selling, which items aren't, and which new items are available. If you find that a specific affiliate program isn't making enough to justify the time you're spending on it, cut it off. Hopefully you have a better understanding of the direction you want to go in when it comes to affiliate marketing. Just remember to pick a topic you know about and continuously expand your knowledge on it, as well as learning new tips on how to succeed with affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.